So in this video, we're going to understand what a Factbox is and how you can also edit to view what's there. So again, we're going to just jump right into Business Central. So Factboxes aren't typically something that you're going to find on your main Role Center page, but they're really common in your listing card pages. So for example, if we open up the customer list, so here we can see on the right-hand side, this is what Business Central calls a fact box. So we can see information about the customer, we can see their statistics. These are hyperlinks or drill downs. So if I wanted to be able to drill into the customer card, I would be able to do that. So if I want to hide the fact box because I just want a little bit more room, I can go ahead and do that by expanding or collapsing. I can attach things. I can see different details. So let's say, as an example, in my industry, I'm not using return orders. Let's just say that's something that I don't typically need to do. We're just going straight to a credit memo, so not something I need to see or take up space. So again, under my personalize, I can just show and hide fact boxes entirely by coming here and just saying hide. Now, I might find that there is some information that's useful, so I don't want to hide it entirely. So I'm going to show the fact box, but in each of these different areas, I can just choose to remove the specific components that I don't need. Again, I can click on my attachments. I can do the same thing. So I've got my pink border that just kind of highlights what it is I'm focused on. If ever I need to clear my personalization, because let's say I just over personalized it, I got kind of lost or mixed up with where I was, I could choose to just kind of clear my personalization for absolutely everything, or I could just do things that are fields and columns. Actions are things like being able to run things or carry things out. So if I ever needed to, I could just choose whichever is the most applicable. And then it's just letting me know that it's going to need to close and reopen to take effect. So then I can close the page, and then again, I could drill into a customer card, and I'm able to see now different things back onto my screen. You'll also notice with fact boxes, and we'll change maybe just to a list view. I really personally like the list view, but you'll see that your fact boxes will also start to dynamically update as you select different records, so that again, it just highlights on the information that's specific to that master record. And again, if I needed to, so let's say for Alpine Ski House, I wanted to be able to see, well, how did this balance come to be and what are the transactions? Again, I can always just click to drill in, and in this case I can see that this was just a result of one of the invoices that I posted. So again, fact boxes are really nice ways to just see a little bit further into the information. You can show or hide what's visible to you, and again, it dynamically updates as you update your records.